Hi, how you doing? Justin here. Today I'd like to introduce you to my brand new book called Food for Thought Volume 1. It's a collection of over 50 short and hopefully insightful articles on such things as mindset, motivation and personal growth for musicians. The articles were originally written for my Food for Thought column in Guitar Techniques magazine, but they've now been collated into 2 books. Volume 2 is due out late in 2025. It covers topics like dealing with frustration when practicing, staying motivated on your learning journey, debating musical theories, and exploring new concepts. It's a beautifully made, cloth-covered, hardbound book. Try saying that after a few pints. Originally, it was just going to be a signed and numbered limited edition. We did do that. They sold out really quickly and it was very popular, so we decided to do an unsigned and unnumbered edition, which is what is available now. You can buy it at the merch store and you can also buy it at Andertons if you want delivery in UK and Europe. This would make a fantastic gift for yourself or for a friend. One of my guitar buddies has said that it's his favourite toilet reading and is helping him stopping taking his phone into the bog. I mean, they're really nice, short, easy to digest articles, so maybe if you're trying to stop using your phone in the toilet, this might be a suitable replacement for that. If you're looking for some advice on how to stay motivated with your practice, wondering why music theory is important, how to deal with performance anxiety, or maybe how to find your own voice on guitar, you might find this is a great book for you. Grab your copy now.